guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Thank you so much ENVOME for sponsoring this video. Coming to our today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing chickpea spinach curry. So limited ingredients and takes just 20 minutes. So let's get started. In a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera. Let it splutter. Then add 2 chopped onions. Sweat it a little. Now add finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic. You can add ginger garlic paste as an alternative. Fry until rawness disappears. So this is done. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Fry for a minute or two. Let's add turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1½ to 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Fry until it's cooked and it looks a little mushy. Okay, this looks great. Now let's add soaked chickpeas, soaked for 4 hours. Overnight is recommended. Give it all a good mix. Add half a cup of water. And pressure cook this for 4 whistles. While this is cooking, let's talk about this beautiful giveaway we are hosting. Let's talk about this bottle which is made of bamboo, which is completely natural and organic, easy to use. Also an opportunity to make a difference. Head to our Instagram page for details about the giveaway. I will link it down below in the description box. Great. Now let's check the chickpeas. Wow, this is beautifully cooked, also perfect consistency. While this is cooking, let's add chopped spinach. Mix, mix, mix. Let this cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it all a good mix. And it's done. Best had with steamed rice, but also you can have it with fulkas and chapatis. Thank you so much, and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!